This is going to be another tutorial for how to do calculations, but this time using the iPhone calculator because it's a little bit different than using the scientific calculator. So you'll notice if you try to follow the process I explained in the previous video and you do the negative sign and then you click the little log 10 button, it will say error. And that is because when you click the log 10 on the iPhone, it is taking the log of whatever you just had typed. So it's trying to take the log of negative, and it can't do that because it doesn't process that number. So we need to actually have our number typed in first. So instead of writing the negative first, you would do your value that you want to log. So it would be the 6.59 negative 10. So do all of this first and then click the log button. And if you do that, then you should get the correct answer, but it will just be negative because we didn't have the negative out there in front. So make sure you add all of that in, then click the log 10. This is again on the iPhone buttons. And then you will get the answer negative 9.18, which was our answer here, but it's negative. So that's why we have the negative here, because it needs to be positive. So then just multiply it by negative 1, and you've got the same answer rounded. Okay, so the only difference is put in your stuff that you want to take the log of first, then click the log 10, and then just apply your negative, multiply by negative 1. Negative 1. Okay. And you really don't even have to put the times negative 1 in your calculator. You could do that in your head. Just switch it to positive instead of negative. And then doing the exponent. Okay, so for doing the exponent, you will put in this is again on the iPhone 10, and then there's this little button that says x to the y. That's just their way of saying exponent. So 10 to the, and then put your value in that you want. So this one I've typed negative 4.8 equals. But this guy is your little caret for the iPhone. And then you'll get this same answer here, and then you'll just need to round it, put in scientific notation so that you get it in this correct formation. So that's how you use the iPhone to do the same calculations.